Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's very nice to see you guys here. Today I'm gonna be talking about something that I've been wanting to get for quite a long time. I've been searching the internet for this mixer and I don't really see a lot of people doing reviews on this mixer yet. So today I'm gonna be unboxing the new Mackie DL16S for you guys. Now the reason why I chose the Mackie DL16S is because I've been using the iPad mixer at some of my gig venues for quite some time already, and I thought it's actually a whole rack that's compressed into one little mixer. You've got every single thing inside the mixer and you don't really have to push the rack. Everybody's got a rack, you know, everybody's got a rack, and everybody's got to push this kind of heavy rack around for all your small shows, and I think that's not necessary, so that's why I chose to buy the iPad mixer. And Mackie came out with this new stage box design mixer that is capable to do 16 channels and also 8 outputs for all your Aux channels, which means like your monitor channels, you know. And what's good about this is that this iPad mixer can allow you to connect up to 20 devices on a very good router, so I think everybody can have their mix, you know. Every single time musicians will be like, I want more of me, I want more of the guitars, I want more of my vocals, I cannot hear, I can't hear, I can't hear, you know. Musicians are just deaf, you know. I'm included. So with this Mackie DL16S, I feel like it's gonna be the future of small shows like wedding shows, a lot of my kind of wedding shows, a lot of small corporate events, even installations for small places. Alright, let's get to the unboxing. This is how the mixer looks like in a box. I literally went to the store and picked it up, like just like this. Alright, let's go. Just you gotta get all the strings out. Oh shit. Okay, shouldn't be a problem, right? If I don't have a pen knife or whatever, I'm just gonna go old school and just like, you know, cut this out. Look at that. By the way, disclaimer, I'm not sponsored or anything, but like, I wish I'm sponsored. This is the Mackie DL16S. Get it out of the box. Look at that. 16 channels into one. I actually suck at unboxing things, you know, it's just so irritating. Of course, once you unbox, you will see that there's this guide which you can download on the website. You can just read it on our website before you actually go and buy this mixer. Oh, these are the years for rack mounting. I don't think I have damaged it. Oh, it says built like a tank. Alright, hope I don't drop it this time. Alright! IC cables for power supply, rack mounting gears. This actually takes up 3 units of space on your rack. I'm gonna show you how small this is. Like this, just like this. So simple. The DL16S comes with 16 inputs and 8 of it is the Xlr inputs, and 8 of them is actually the combo units. The combo inputs which you can plug in the 1/4 inch cable into 8 of them. So we have 8 Xlr outputs here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means you can actually run 6 different mixers into your monitors, into floor wedges, and the left, right, which is here. Over here we have our USB interface. You can connect a USB cable into your DAWs and you can actually record. I'm not sure how much you can record, so I'll let you guys know in the future. Here you have your power, your Wi-Fi button, and a little reset button here. Over here you have your Cat5 connections, which you can run an external router. By the way, I heard that the internal router for this is not that good. I mean, it's built-in router, right? So it can't be that good. It's always good to have an external router so that when you walk around and mix in your venue with your iPad, you won't have a chance of losing the signal. Lesser chance actually. If you want to use this, it's fine, but you gotta be very close to this mixer. Over here you have your phone outputs, your level for your phones. This is your power switch, and that's it. That's everything. I'm gonna be looking forward to using this mixer when you have everything under your control, when you can even tune the master EQ or each individual outputs. I think that's amazing. It is time for us to go from analog to digital. A lot of sound engineers, traditional sound engineers, or like stubborn sound engineers like me, myself, I am very scared of jumping over from the classic analog mixer to a digital mixer. This Mackie DL16S is actually quite easy to use if I'm not wrong, so I'll let you guys know. Of course, the laptop versions of the master fader will only be available in July, I think, because they say summer. So I'm from Singapore, I don't know when summer. Every single day is like summer for us. Please tell us the month that you guys are gonna release it. And that's it from me guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I will be using this mixer for all my shows in the the next few weeks, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me if you haven't already. Click the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you guys for the next one. Bye!